Hello students, this video is going to show light on the overall PW app and its purpose and will eventually help you access it smoothly. First, let's see how to install the app. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, type Physics Bala in the search bar and install the official app as given here. That's it. You are all set to access and start your journey with the PW app. Next, we will see how to log in to the PW app. Simply open the PW app. Enter your mobile number. You will receive the OTP on your registered number. Allow the app to access your location. Now you have logged in successfully. Now let's see how to find my lectures, where to find my batch, how to find my class notes, and more. We will go to the study page. My batches section is here. Just click on it. My batches page is divided into two sections, paid and free. It basically indicates all the paid and free batches that a student is enrolled in. Just select any. We have selected Lecture JE 2023. Next, we land on the classroom section. Next to the classroom section, there is description, khazana, test series, announcements. We will go through each section one by one. Let's start with the description section. This section gives you the basic information about the batch, like when is the batch going to start and when is it going to end. What all does the batch include? How many live lectures? How many DPTs, solutions, tests, etc. Just below, you can see all the top faculties who will be teaching. On clicking on View All, you can see the list of who will be teaching. On clicking on View More against any teacher, you can also check their experience and expertise. Going back, below is the Refer Batch and Earn section. Refer friends to get points and then purchase more from PW. Next is my Schedule section. It shows a listing of all the subjects which will be taught. Click on a subject and it shows you the lecture planner, which topics, what date, how many lectures, and date of completion of the topic. It also shows a list of holidays which will be given. Next is the Description section. It shows you all of the additional offerings, like when are the classes going to be held, what are the things that will be covered, how many lecture planners and test planners, when to expect the syllabus completion, how many tests, etc. Below are the batch demo videos, which is followed by the modules. How many modules are present in which book to complement your study and how they will help you to kickstart your prep. And lastly, we have the FAQ section. It solves all of the queries, all of the basic doubts that you have before or after purchasing the batch. For example, how can you make the payment? Will the classes be live or recorded? And many more. Moving forward, this is the classroom section. At the top of this page, you can see today's classes. It shows you a list of all the classes which are scheduled in a day. Below it is the weekly schedule. On clicking on See All, you can see all of the subjects which are taught and it gives you a week-wise schedule. How many classes are held in a week for this particular subject? Here, on 28th December, Newton's Law of Motion, 03 questions and practice lectures were held. When you click on Start Class, this is your lecture. Also, if some additional material is provided with the class, like class notes or other information, you can find it in with the attachments. These are also class notes and you can simply view them. Next here, below is the All Classes section. Choose a subject and on selecting, you are shown multiple folders. These are basically chapters. Just go to All Content. There is the Lectures tab. Next to it, you can see notes, DPTs, DPT PDF, and DPT videos as well. So Lectures tab shows you all of the lectures which are present in that subject. When you click, the video starts playing. Below the lectures, you can see comments, Ask Doubts, My Doubts, Timelines, Documents, Downloads, Rating, and Reports. All of these features help you with your studies. If you want to ask a doubt, you can simply select the slide and ask from there. If you want to check which documents were uploaded along with this lecture, if there were any important class notes, you can simply go to Documents. You can also download this video according to your internet speed, quality and space that you have. You can read the lecture too. If you find it good or bad, you can rate here. Next is the report icon. If you come across any problem while watching the video, you can report it. Here are some basic steps to get the issue fixed initially. If even after following the steps, the issue still persists, you can go to Unresolved, select Tags, and submit your feedback. Next is the My Notes section. This section shows you a list of all the class notes that are uploaded. It also shows you additional information. Click on any of the class notes to find the PDF. You can also download it here. Next is my DPT section, which we had already discussed earlier. We also discussed the test here. Moving forward, we have Khazana. This is a new offering. If you haven't purchased it, it shows you Unlock Khazana. You can see how Khazana helps you with the preparation. There is a video which you can watch. It shows you that you can watch lectures delivered by our old star faculties in any subject. Here, you can see that Complete Physics is being delivered by Alexa. Next is Complete Chemistry by Pankaj sir. Unlock Khazana to watch the lectures by any of our star faculties. Next is my test series section. It shows you a listing of all the tests that have been uploaded in a batch. You can download the tests and start attempting it. Next is the announcement section. If there is any important announcement pertaining to any important class or event, or if there is a delay in the class or rescheduling, it is shown here. If there is any important class, for example, here on the screen, you can see the practice sheet for Parabola has been uploaded. So if any of the new lectures or any of the new PDFs are uploaded, all of that information is delivered to you via the announcement section. Now, let's see how we can attempt the DPTs, which are given to us in the batch. When you are on the study page, you can go to your batches section here and you will be shown a list of all the parent free batches. Select one. You will be led to the classroom section. At the bottom, you can see all classes. Click on See All. This section shows you a list of all the subjects which are taught. Select any of the subjects. On selecting, you will land on this page which shows you a list of all the chapters which are present and some additional folders as well. You can go to All Content here and there are multiple tabs. DPT is provided to you in two forms. You can attempt it either in the form of a quiz or you can simply download it and attempt it on pen and paper. When you click on DPT section, you can see a list of all the DPTs. Simply click on a DPT. At the top left, you can see that there is a timer going on. You can see the question, simply mark your option, submit it, and as you can see, if your marked option is incorrect, it is shown to you in red. And the second option, which was the correct one, is shown in green. Click on the solution button, and this is the video solution to that question. You can perform multiple actions on the screen as well. If you want to add any comment, simply add a comment over here. You can also download the video solution. Here are some quality options from which you can download the video. There is a rating option as well. If you like the video, rate it as excellent. Or if you did not, you can rate it as per your liking. There are certain tags that go well with the video. You can select your tag and just submit it. If there was any issue with the video, there are certain steps which you can follow in order to report the video. You can download the latest version of the app. You can check your network compatibility and other steps. Even after following these steps, if still the issue persists, you can click on Unresolved and there are certain tags which are present over here. Select any of the tabs. You can write your feedback over here and submit the issue. Going back, you can jump to the question by clicking any of the question numbers. As you can see, if you click on any of the questions, the timer starts from 0. The timer always starts from the beginning. Basically, the timer is present on the question level. Here, you can see there are dots right next to the DPT name. Click on it and this is your preview. You can simply jump to the question by clicking on the question number. Here, we have landed on question number 3. We will again try to attempt the question. We'll submit it. The marked first option was incorrect. The fourth one was correct. You can check by clicking on the solution button. And there is this more button. Click on it and there are certain options which are shown. View previous question summary and submit the attempt or new quiz. If you click on the summary, you are shown the stats. Here is the summary of the questions. You are shown the summary of the quiz. It shows you the correct questions you have attempted till now. The incorrect questions, how many questions have you skipped, what has been the accuracy, how much time you have taken, and the completed percentage. We will go to review. There is also an option of leaving the quiz, and then there is report question. If there are any problems with the questions which you are facing, click on the report question. There are certain tags which will also be shown. The image could not be cleared, the question might not be correct, the correct option is not available, and others. You can simply select any of the tags, enter your feedback and submit. We will go to this question. We'll attempt and submit it. As you can see, we have attempted the last question. Go to view results and this is your result screen. This shows you the overall analysis of the quiz which you have attempted. It shows you the correct questions you have attempted till now, the incorrect ones, the skipped ones, the accuracy, the completed percentage, and the time taken. You can also reattempt the quiz by clicking on the reattempt. All of the progress which you have made will be reset, and hence here we are on the DTP screen again. Now we will look at the something extra which PW gives to each student according to their needs. PW Sarthi. Let's see how Sarthi works. The first feature is Ask Doubt. Click the picture of your doubt, upload, and get an instant solution. You can see the solutions via YouTube and Google as well. In this, you will get the solution in video and textual format. The next feature is Ask Concept. Here, you can type and learn any concept from the PW Star Secondary anytime. You can also report by clicking on the report icon. Sarthi's next feature is My Planner, through which you can set and plan your study schedule. To add any goal, click on Add New Goal, and here you can add your subject score. You can track its progress as well. Sarthi will give you a direct connection with your coach. To connect with your coach, click on any subject and get to chat with them. You can ask any kind of doubt and send voice messages too. If you want to have a video call directly with your coach, click on Video Call and get solutions to all your doubts live. If you want to rate your coach, click on these three dots and rate them. Now you must be thinking about how you should mark your attendance. Just swipe your card and you're all set. Always feel free to reach out to the PW team in case of any concerns. PW doesn't leave any stone unturned for its students. That is why with PW Prerna, we pledge to cater to all your mental health issues. Call our dedicated Prerna helpline number, that is 9905000122. That is all for today. With this tutorial video, I hope we have cleared all your doubts. Thank you.